Imagine a motherboard that not only delivers top-tier performance but also adds a sleek, icy aesthetic to your build. Intrigued? Stick around to discover if the GIGABYTE X870E AORUS Pro Ice lives up to its frosty name. The AORUS Pro Ice stands out with its pristine white and silver design, making it a perfect centerpiece for any modern PC build. The white PCB, complemented by matching heatsinks and connectors, offers a fresh departure from the traditional dark-themed motherboards. But does this aesthetic appeal translate to a premium feel comparable to its competitors? Beyond its looks, this motherboard is engineered for high performance, with the 16+2+2 phase VRM design ensures stable power delivery, crucial for overclocking enthusiasts aiming to push their AMD Ryzen 7000, 8000, or 9000 series processors to the limit. The inclusion of 4 DDR5 DIMM slots, supporting up to 256 GB of RAM at speeds up to DDR5 8000, caters to users demanding high memory bandwidth for intensive tasks. Storage options are robust, featuring 4 SATA 3 ports and 4 M2 slots. Notably, 3 of these M2 slots support PCIe 5.0x4, offering blazing fast data transfer rates for NVMe SSDs. This setup is ideal for users requiring rapid access to large files, such as video editors and 3D designers. Connectivity is another strong suit. The motherboard boasts dual USB 4 Type-C ports, providing versatile and high-speed connections for modern peripherals. Networking needs are met with a Realtek 2.5 GB E LAN port and a Qualcomm Wi-Fi 7 module, ensuring fast and reliable internet connectivity, whether wired or wireless. For audio enthusiasts, the Realtek ALC1220 HD audio codec delivers clear and immersive sound, enhancing the overall multimedia experience. This is particularly beneficial for gamers and content creators who rely on high-quality audio output. Priced competitively, the AORUS Pro Ice offers a blend of aesthetics and performance. If you're looking to build a system that doesn't compromise on looks or functionality, this motherboard is worth considering. For the latest pricing and deals, check out the Amazon link in the description. So, what are the pros and cons of choosing this motherboard? The cons? Limited to a single PCIe 5.0x16 slot, white color scheme may not appeal to all users, higher price point compared to some competitors. The pros? Sleek white and silver design enhances build aesthetics. Robust power delivery system supports overclocking. Multiple PCIe 5.0 M2 slots for high-speed storage. Comprehensive connectivity options including USB 4 and Wi-Fi 7. And high-quality audio codec for superior sound experience. If the AORUS Pro Ice sounds like the perfect fit for your next build, don't forget to check out the Amazon link in the description for the latest offers. And if you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts.